Hi everyone, I just want to go over a quick video on how to research stock picks. So if you're not aware, the Come Up series has stock picks that they put on their Facebook page and on their YouTube page, and it's a wonderful series. If you're not aware of it, please go follow it now. But here's how to kind of gauge where you are in terms of your portfolio balance on the information that they give you. So I separate the list from lowest to highest, and the lowest one was cloud, and then we went and the highest one was NVIDIA at $525.91. So then I start to research the companies inside the ETF. So for cloud, what you're going to do is you're going to go to etfdb.com, enter cloud in the search, and then click on holdings. So when you go to etfdb.com, you're going to go and you're going to search right here and you're going to enter CLOU. And then we have the cloud computing ETF that comes up. Then you go to holdings right here, and now you can see a list of the top holdings in that company. So in that company, they have Twilio and Zoom, Salesforce, Shopify, Workday, there's Netflix in there. So you can kind of get a gauge on if you wanted to say buy individual companies or to actually buy the ETF. Imagine owning a part of Netflix and Twilio for just 24 because it's in the ETF. So that's how you can have expensive companies in your portfolio at a lower price and ride the wave as those companies do well. Let's check out another company, Hero. Hero is the next one on the list at $27.11. Let's see what companies are inside of those. So in the search tab, we're going to go and we're going to put in Hero. It's a video game and esports ETF, and we're going to go to holdings. And we have NVIDIA. Wow, look at that. That's the number 2 holding in here. Now, NVIDIA by itself is $525, but you can own this ETF for the low price of $27.11. So as we can see, as we go through the list, depending on where we are in our portfolio journey, you can be able to purchase these expensive companies for less and add them to your portfolio. Now, to learn more about the next steps of this process and how you're going to know whether the stock is on sale, should you buy it or not, you're going to check out netsworth.com. Whether you're a new beginner trader who wants to know how to read charts and evaluate this information, or if you're an advanced trader who wants to be a part of a community, I do have a monthly membership to my private Facebook group where we share ideas and discuss our investing journey. So wherever you are, whatever your portfolio size, this information is for you. And make sure you watch the Come Up series. It is on 3 times a week. Go to the page, get the information, and let's get it. Take care.